Namaskar, I am Dr. D.R. Patnaik, Scientist, India Meteorology Department, New Delhi. Today I will be discussing about the past week weather conditions, what prevail over different parts of India and what we are expecting next 2 weeks. So if you see the last week, actually there is no major weather system was prevailing in the last week. As you see, and previous to the last week actually there are two cyclones that you have remember, but with respect to the last week from 25th October to 1 November, there are no significant weather system. This is the winter season and cyclone season, but there are no system like that. Only there are western disturbance passing through the northern India and the cyclonic circulation over the south peninsula adjoining to Tamil Nadu and Kerala region. So they are the main system. Other than this, there are no system. And this is just for passing reference. Previous to that, prior to that week, 19 to 25 October, there are two cyclones. So associated with the WD, western disturbance, and the cyclonic circulation over the southern peninsula, if you see the rainfall occurred during the previous week, that is from 25th October to 1 November, you just see mainly it is confined over the southern peninsula, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and adjoining region and some part of northeast India. And also there are, because of the WD, this is the region Uttarakhand, Himachal and JNK, this region also got some rainfall. Otherwise there are no major weather system, and this, as you know, this is the season due to the northeasterly wind and easterly wave we get the rainfall, so it is mainly confined over the southern peninsula. And but with respect to the performance, actually if you see the weekly rainfall, just see this is the weekly rainfall here. Means for the different Met subdivisions and also the country as a whole during the 26th October to 1 November, you see most part it is yellow or red, means large deficient. That means country wise also we had not got good rainfall during the last week. So that figure you can see actual rainfall means what we have observed on the area average for the week, that is only 2.6 mm, where normally 10 mm. So that's why departure is minus 74. It's a large negative departure. Actually it was very subdued rainfall activity as there was no major weather system during the previous week. And this is the cumulative. Cumulative means actually our season, the post monsoon season commenced from 1st October and continue till 31st December. So here this is the rainfall figure from 1st October to current date, that is the 1st November, let us say. So here if you see cumulative rainfall also, there is in some part of northwest India we have got excess rainfall, here also excess rainfall, but most of the thing, even the main rainfall belt where we get generally in the this northeast monsoon season, that is also red and yellow. So that's why if you country as a whole, if you see the actual rainfall, the departure minus 33%. That means this season also from 1st October to till now it is not got good rainfall, and that is, as you can see the day-to-day rainfall activity also here. If you see here, just see the red line is the normal and the vertical lines are the actual day-wise rainfall. So few days, except few days in the initial period, that was the extension of southwest monsoon, but rather afterward actually we have not got good rainfall. That's why till now it is a very large departure for the country as a whole. If you see the region wise, because why I want to show the figure for the region wise, that means here it is the northwest India and this is the east northeast India. So here also if you see, that means northwest India at least something we have got good rainfall, means cumulative rainfall on day-to-day also activity. So till now it is 42% above normal. So northwest India we have got good rainfall till now, and east northeast also, that means it is not that much good, but yes, still some good rainfall activity during the initial period that caused the rainfall about the plus 7% till now. So that means particularly the northwest and east northeast belt has got relatively better rainfall, but the main worry is about your central India and south peninsula India, because south peninsula India is the main rainy season now, October, November, December. So here if you see the central India also large negative, till now it is minus 61%, and only because of in only after few days actually it is rainfall is below normal. And here south peninsula also it is large deficient, means minus 59%. That's why monsoon season as a whole, now it is not good so far from the 1st October, northeast monsoon particularly is not good from 1st October to till now. And temperature, another feature is also temperature. If you see, this is the observed temperature and this is the maximum temperature, and this is a departure from normal, how it deviates from the normal. So if you see, mostly it is yellow, so maximum temperature also slightly above normal over most part of the country during the week, and minimum temperature also mostly northwest India and adjoining area, except some part of central India where it is slightly below normal, otherwise it is also above normal. And mean temperature also similarly like this, means northwest India it is above normal. And this is the forecast. Now what is expected now? So what model indicating, that means the model indication, if you see the forecast, this is our global model, that 12 km resolution model. So this is the, I am showing up to day 1 to day 5 forecast, that is valid for 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th November. So if you see here, mostly rainfall is confining over southern peninsula and adjoining Tamil Nadu, Kerala and adjoining region on all 5 days, and some rainfall associated with the WD. So this is the main rainfall forecast that we are expecting based on our global model. And accordingly, we have issued the warning also, means not very orange or red, but it is just watch only, because as you have seen, the southern peninsula is expected to get a good rainfall, and some isolated heavy rainfall also is possible for next 5 days. And this is the extended range forecast model. So that means what you are expecting for week 1 and week 2. So that is there. So this is the first week forecast rainfall, this is second week forecast rainfall, and this is the deviation from normal, means whether we are expecting below normal or above normal. So if you see week 1, that is week 1 from 3rd to 9th November here, so we can get expect good rainfall over southern peninsula, that Kerala, Tamil Nadu region. Otherwise it is mostly normal. But week 2 slightly reduction in rainfall, and mostly white means it is almost normal. That means only week 1, some southern part we are expected to get some rainfall which is likely to be above normal. Then this is the minimum temperature, since the winter is approaching, but still we have seen other observed temperature, minimum temperature are above normal during the last week. So forecast also indicated this is the temperature, minimum temperature, absolute value, and this is the anomaly, means deviation from the normal. If you look at this thing, here also this northwest India, this pocket it is showing yellow or red, means above normal minimum temperature. Here also week 1 and week 2, and some part it is showing eastern and southeastern part it is slightly below normal. And cyclogenesis, already there 2 cyclones were there in the week from 25th October to that means 19th October to 25th October. After that means last week there are no major system. So here also model are not indicating very active condition for cyclogenesis, and that's why there is no, we have not indicated any cyclogenesis for the next 2 weeks. And yes, all these forecasts are available in our website, apps and other social network platform. You can see and you can get the location specific forecast using our application. Thank you very much.